Hardy boring and milling spindles are designed with excellent performance and rigidity. All these products are of unique design of fully sealing, capable of protection with the use of waterproof spindle covers. They are suitable for machining in high-volume coolant environments. The boring and milling spindle heads have remarkable precision and high loading. Every spindle undergoes meticulous tests during and after assembly to ensure its precision. To ensure product quality, Hardy introduces the USA brand Brown Sharpe 3D high-specification testing instruments. Every semi-finished product should undergo rigorous in-house tests, with quality control and stock is maintained to enable fast shipment for customer orders. The vertical slide products provide customers with extraordinary perpendicularity, as they have undergone accuracy tests after assembly to ensure the precision of stroke before they are delivered to customers. To complete the packages, Hardy offers 3 series of slide table: the hydraulic slide, the servo-driven slide, and the manual slide, including horizontal and vertical ones. Every slide product is subjected to grinding and scraping, while the servo-hardened guides are treated with tercite to ensure lifespan and precision of the product. With decades of specialized design and manufacture of spindles, Hardy offers superior quality and wide range of product lines and has received Taiwan Excellence Award. These spindle units from Hardy are excellent choices for your production machine applications.